Okay guys, in this video we had an issue. We have these True Heart camber kits, rear camber kits, and they've failed on us and broke. So now we are going to replace it with these iBox. Okay, here I'm going to show you guys what the problem was, and I'm going to show you guys by using the wrench to hold it to show you that this one doesn't pivot right. Yeah. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this clip out. Okay, we're gonna loosen this with a screwdriver, and then we're gonna use a pair of needle nose to pull out the clip. Now go ahead and remove the 12mm bolts so that bracket is gonna be out of the way. We're just gonna put that bracket to the side to get a little bit more space. Go ahead and remove this bracket. It's a 10mm bolt. So it's going to give you a little bit more room to get to that bolt back there. Okay, this 14mm bolt back here, we're going to remove this sensor bracket out of the way. Once this is out of the way, I'm going to remove that cotter pin and then the 19mm bolt. Okay, so the best thing to do, again, a short sledgehammer, and we're gonna whack that, and it's gonna loosen that up. Okay, so you see, we almost wrecked at the track, and we couldn't figure out what was going on. And well, this is our problem, and here is the new camber, and see if you can bend that, see if that was doing that. And it's not moving. So cheap bushings. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. So here's the comparison with the iBox.
How much thicker it is?
Much thicker. I mean, just look at the diameter on that. You can just see the difference. So
This rubber is better too.
what we're gonna do is, this is gonna, after we install this has to go to an alignment shop, and we're gonna take it to a professional alignment shop to get this done correctly. So in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna adjust this to the same length as this, and then we're gonna let the alignment shop take care of the rest. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust this guy. So we want to loosen that up, and we want to loosen this guy up. And we look like we're just about there. So then we're going to use this to tighten this part. And I went the wrong way. So again, guys, I'm just saying this is just temporary. Remove the cotter pin, 19mm bolt.
behind it, John.
Yep. Okay, so that 19 is in, and then we'll get this 14 back there.
Oh my god, I made it so much quicker. I gotta use. Oh, we gotta put it on, John?
So on the passenger side, same thing. Bracket, and you got. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and torque everything down to 42 foot-pounds of torque. And install the cotter pin. I'm just gonna make sure both ends are tight. Everything. Okay, once everything is put back, go ahead and torque the wheels down to 80 foot-pounds.